Hello all my dear students of class 6, this is Priyanka welcoming you all once again to your maths online class. Yes students, in my last lecture I have given you all the remaining questions of exercise 14.1 and with that we have finished complete exercise 14.1 and as I have told you that in my next lecture I will be giving you 14.2. So today I am all ready to give you explanation of exercise 14.2, all the 3 questions. So without wasting any more time, let us begin with question number first of exercise 14.2, chapter number 14, comparing quantities. So students, in exercise 14.1 we talked about ratio and in exercise 14.2 we will be talking about proportion. When the two ratios of the same unit are compared, then it is compared in the terms of proportion and the sign of proportion is 4 dots. These 4 dots means is proportionate to. Okay, like when we talk about two ratios, then they should be in proportion, means they should be equal. When we talk about the ratios of two quantities, then they should be equal, proportionate. So that's what we will learn in this particular exercise. So let us begin with question number first. It is find out if the following numbers are in proportion. Some parts are given and we have to find it out that it is in proportion or not. So see how to do it. You will find 4 numbers in all the parts. आपको सारे parts में 4 numbers दिखाई देंगे. तो आप देखिए क्या करेंगे. सबसे पहले 2, 5, 10, 20. दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट. इसको आप प्रोपोर्शन में सेट करेंगे. प्रोपोर्शन में हम कैसे सेट करते हैं. पहले आप लिखेंगे 2, सेकेंड नंबर है 5. 2 और 5 के बीच में आप रेशियो का साइन लगाएंगे, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन करा है. अब 2 नंबर्स के बाद में जो साइन लगेगा वो होगा 4 डॉट्स एंड 4 डॉट्स मीन्स प्रोपोर्शन. ओके, देन थर्ड नंबर 10, ratio sign and then 20. So like this you have to arrange all the numbers in this question number first in all parts. Okay, then after that you have to put the formula and the formula is product of means is equal to product of extremes. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि जो नंबर्स हैं प्रोपोर्शन में है या नहीं है. तो वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम ये फॉर्मूला प्लेस करेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स एंड राइट हैंड साइड में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन्स एंड व्हाट इज एक्सट्रीम. प्रोडक्ट आई एम श्योर यू नो वेरी वेल. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ द मीनिंग ऑफ मीन्स middle values. Okay, this means word meaning middle values and extreme word means the outer values. This 5 and 20 are the outer values. The inner values are called as means and the outer values are called as extreme. And product I already told you, it means multiplication. So product of means, that means you have to multiply the middle values 5 and 10 and other side you have to multiply the outer value, that means 2 and 20. So multiply 5 into 10 50 and 2 into 20 is equals to 40. Now when the left hand side is not equal to right hand side, that means the given numbers are not in proportion. Like in first part here you can see 50 that side and 40 this side. So 50 is not equal to 40. That means the given numbers are not in proportion. Just move on to B part. It is 3, 6, 21, 42. First of all, you will be arranging these numbers in proportion. So 3, then after 3, ratio sign, 6, then after 6, proportion sign, 4 dots. 21, then again ratio and 42. Once you are arranging it in the series of proportion, then you have to do the product of means and product of extreme. So here the means value are 6 and 21 and extreme values are 3 and 42. See, these both are the means value and these both are the extreme value. So 6 will be multiplied by 21 and 3 will be multiplied by 42. Multiply it. After multiplying you will get 126 both the side. Both the side, that means LHS is equal to RHS. That means yes, they are in proportion. If both the sides are same, then yes, they are in proportion. If both the sides are not same, then no, they are not in proportion. Similarly, pay attention to C part. Arrange it in proportion 4:3, proportion 15:12. Now again, product of means and product of extreme. So means 3 and 15 will be multiplied. 3 multiplied by 15 and extreme means 4 and 12 will be multiplied. So 15 into 3 45 and 12 into 4 is equals to 48. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So they are not in proportion. Okay, then D part, 5, 20, 7, 40. Arrange it in proportion 5:20, proportion 7:40. Again, product of means 20 and 7 will be multiplied, and product of extreme means 5 and 40 will be multiplied. So 20 into 7 is 140 and 5 into 40 is 200. Again, you can see that LHS is not equal to RHS. That means they are not in proportion. Next, 7, 9, 56 and 81. So here the means value are 9 and 56 and the extreme values are 7 and 81. After multiplication, you will get 504. When you will multiply 56 and 9, you will get 504 towards the left hand side, and 7 and 81, you will get 567 towards the right hand side. That means both the sides are not equal, and when it is not equal, you will cut the equal to sign. See, this is the way to write not equal. So this side is not equal to that side. Similarly, 504 is not equal to 567. So no, they are not in proportion. Move on to F part. Here the means value are 22 and 22 and extreme value are 11 and 44. So when you will multiply 22 and 22, you will get the result as 484, and when you multiply 11 and 44, there also you will get the result as 484. So both the sides are similar in F part. That means yes, they are in proportion. Got it, students? Now part G is 15, 20, 30 and 40. So as I told you, in the next step you will arrange it in the series of proportions. So 15:20, then 4 dots you will put, that will show the proportion, then 30:40. Now the means are 20 and 30 and the extreme are 15 and 40. So here we will multiply 20 and 30 and the other side we will multiply 15 and 40. After multiplying 20 and 30, you will get 600, and other side 15 into 40 is also equal to 600. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means yes, they are in proportion. Okay. Now H part, arrange it in the series of proportions. So 1:2, 4 dots, then 2:4. 4 dot means is proportionate to. Okay. Then this you have to write product of means and product of extreme. So here means are 2 and 2 and the extreme are 1 and 4. So here 2 and 2 will be multiplied and other side 1 and 4 will be multiplied. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are is 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means yes, they are in proportion. Move on to the last part of question number first. Arrange it into the series of proportion. 18:36, proportion 144:288. Here the means are 56 and 144 and extreme are 18 and 288. So 36 will be multiplied by 144 and 18 will be multiplied by 288. After multiplying, you will get left hand side 5184 and towards the right hand side also 5184, 5184 both the sides. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So yes, they are in proportion. So that's what we have to do in question number first. Fine, just arrange it in the series of proportion and then multiply the middle values and the outer values to get the result. If both the sides are equal, then yes, they are in proportion, and if they are not equal, then no, they are not in proportion. Clear, students? So let us now move on to question number 2. It is state which of the following are in proportion. Again, some parts are there and we have to specify that they are in proportion or not. But in this question there is somewhat different, that is the units which are given here. You can see that before solving the question we have to pay attention on the units. The units should be similar. So towards the left hand side you can see, students, that kg is there with 3 and gram is there with 60. That means towards the left hand side different units are there, and towards the right hand side ml is there. So first of all you will change the unit of left hand side, make the unit similar. So you know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, so 3 kg will be equal to what? It will be equal to 3000 grams. Okay, now our question will be towards the left hand side. In case of 3 kg I have written 3000 gram and 60 gram I have written as it is, and towards the right hand side both the units are same, so it will come as it is, 2500 milliliter and 50 milliliter. Now we have to cancel the value. So here you can see that units are cancelling gram and gram. Here no need to do the product of means and product of extreme, like this also you can solve here. Then 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and then 0. So 50:1 this side, and here 0 and 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, then 5 5s are 25, and 0. 50:1, 50:1. You can see that both the sides are equal, right? So we can say that yes, they are in proportion. Okay, when left hand side is equal to right hand side, then you can simply say that yes, they are in proportion, and if both the sides are not equal, then no, they are not in proportion. After making the unit similar, you have to do cancelling of left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Fine. Just pay attention on B part now. First of all, just check that the units are same or not. Here you can see that the towards the left hand side, here it is rupee and there it is paisa. That means different unit. And towards the right hand side, here it is gram and there it is milligram. Again the different unit. So first of all, we will make the unit similar. So here rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupee 5 will be equal to 500 paise, and towards that side, you know, 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. This is the formula. So we are having 400 grams. Agar 400 gram hai, so that will be equal to 400, and then you will put 3 zeros. Okay, so it will be equals to 4 lakh milligram. Okay, now our question will be changed, and now our question will be, in place of rupee 5, we will be writing 500 paise ratio 20 paisa, and then other side, in place of 400, we will be writing 4 lakhs milligram ratio 2000 milligram. Okay, in next step, paisa and paisa will be cancelled, 0 and 0 will be cancelled here. See, paisa will be cancelled, and 0 and 0 will be cancelled here. Milligram and milligram will be cancelled, and 3 zeros will be cancelled. The remaining value you have to cancel. So 50 and 2 both are coming in the table of 2. Both are divisible by the table of 2. So divided by the table of 2. In the table of 2, 50 comes 25 times, and in the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time. So towards the left hand side, we have come up with the result 25:1. So let us check towards the right hand side, the same value is coming or not. So here you can see 2 and 400 are cancelling by the table of 2. So in the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time, and 400 comes 200 times, because 2 2s are 4 and then 2 0. So you can notice that left hand side here is not equal to right hand side. So you will be simply writing no, they are not in proportion. Okay students, so like this you have to do, and both the sides are not equal now, so you will cancel this equal to sign. So this side is not equal to that side. Fine. Now let us pay attention on C part. It is 75 minutes 3 hours towards the left hand side, and 60 seconds and 144 seconds towards the right hand side. So towards the right hand side, you can see that the units are similar, but towards the left hand side the units are different. Here it is minutes and here it is hours. So first of all, we will make the unit similar towards the left hand side. So we will convert this hour into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 3 hours are given in the question. So 3 hours is equals to 3 into 60, that is equals to 180 minutes. So now our question will be changed. It will be 75 minutes ratio 180 minutes is equal to 60 seconds ratio 144 seconds. So this will be our question. Now we will cut the similar unit. Okay. Why we are not doing product of means and extremes here? Because you can see that the units are different. If you will multiply minutes and seconds, then here there you also you have to multiply by minutes and seconds. Then in this question so it is minutes and second, in other question you can see here it is minute and there it is kg. So we cannot multiply to different units, so better we will be multiplying, we will be solving left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Okay, so that's why we are not doing product of means and product of extremes here. Now simply you have to cancel the values, like both these values are cancelled by the table of 5. So see, 5 1s are 5, then 2 carry over 25, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 3s are 15, then 3 carry over 5 6 are 30. Okay, no need to cut it, you can directly write the values down after cancelling. Okay, then 15 and 36 both are divisible by the table of 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We have to keep on cancelling it. हमें तब तक स्मॉलर वैल्यूज रेशियो वैल्यूज लिखनी है तब जब तक वो कैंसिल होना बंद ना हो जाए. ओके, जब तक डिविजिबल है सेम टेबल से आपको डिवाइड करते चले जाना है. लाइक 5 और 12 अब किसी भी सेम टेबल से डिविजिबल नहीं है, सो इट विल स्टॉप हेयर. नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द राइट हैंड साइड. राइट हैंड साइड में देखिए 60 और 144 दोनों ही नंबर 2 के टेबल से डिविजिबल हैं, तो आप पहले 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड करिए इसको. 2 3s are 6 एंड 0 देयर, 2 7s are 14 एंड देन 0. ओके, नाउ बोथ द नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय द टेबल ऑफ 6. अब ये डायरेक्टली 6 की टेबल से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, वैसे तो ये 2 की टेबल से भी डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, 3 की टेबल से भी डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. आप करेंगे तो आप 2 और 3 से भी कर सकते हो, बट मैं यहाँ पे इसको डायरेक्टली 6 की टेबल से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ ताकि इसी स्टेप में हमारा आंसर कैलकुलेट हो जाए, हमें आगे उसको फर्दर नहीं करना पड़े. सो देखिए 6 की टेबल में 35 टाइम्स एंड 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 72 12 टाइम्स. अगर इसको आप डायरेक्टली 6 से ना करके अगर 2 से करते तो भी क्या होता, आगे जाके आंसर आपका यही आता, बस वो होता कि स्टेप्स आपके इंक्रीज हो जाते. लाइक देखिए अगर आप 2 से करते सो 15 टाइम्स हो जाता ये, एंड 2 3s are 6 एंड 2 6s are 12, 15 रेशियो 36 आ गया. अब आपको इसको 3 से करना पड़ता, सो 3 5s are 15 एंड 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. तो बेसिकली आपका आंसर तो वापस 5 रेशियो 12 ही आता. So why to do it this much long? We can directly solve it by the table of 6. Okay, if you know that table, if you know the cancelling, then directly take the greater number, greater table to divide it. Fine. So like this you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So yes, they are in proportion and we will not cancel the equal to sign because both the sides are equal here. I hope it is clear now. See students, now D part. It is 5 hours 50 minutes 42 kg and 7 kg. So here you can see that the units are different and that side the units are same. So here firstly we will make the units similar. So you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and here 5 hours are given. So 5 hours will be equal to 5 into 60, that is equal to 300 minutes. Okay, now our question will be changed and it will be 300 minutes ratio 50 minutes towards the left hand side and right hand side will remain same, 42 kg ratio 7 kg because there the units are similar. Then minutes and minutes will be cancelled and 0 will be cancelled. So cancel it by the table of 5, 5 6 are 30 and 5 1s are 5. So towards the left hand side 6 ratio 1. Now towards the right hand side kg and kg will be cancelled. 7 and 42 both are divisible by the table of 7. 7 6 are 42 and 7 1s are 7. Again you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So yes, they are in proportion. Fine students, is it clear? So in question number first I told you to do the product of means and product of extremes. In second question where the units are given, so we will be solving the 2 units of left hand side separately and the remaining 2 units of right hand side separately to find it out that they are in proportion or not. Fine. Yes students, let us now move on to question number third. It is write the missing numbers to make the following proportionate. Here some values are missing and we have to find the missing values to get it in proportion. So see, whatever is missing I am putting the variable. जो भी numbers missing है वहाँ पे मैं variable put कर रही हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं variable part के according put कर रही हूँ. Like A part है तो यहाँ पे मैं variable missing variable put कर रही हूँ A। अब बहुत सिंपल है, इसको आप कैसे करोगे, सबसे पहले आप इसको कर दोगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप के अंदर ही आपको इसको करना होगा बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं आप पहले भी समझ चुके हो, आपको a को 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप में a विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 40, क्रॉस जिस तरीके से क्रॉस होता है उस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई होगा। सो 20 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में जो a है वो इस तरफ ही रहेगा वेरिएबल, 20 into 4 will remain that side and this 40 will come in the denominator। ओके, ये डिवीजन के अंदर आ जाएगा। अब आप कैंसिल करिए, 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 40, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20। सो a की वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी यहाँ पे 2। ओके, तो ये यहाँ पर अगर 2 आ जाएगी तो ये वैल्यू प्रोपोर्शनेट हो जाएगी। कैसे, देखिए अगर यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा 2/20 और दूसरी तरफ क्या है 4/40। अब आप इसको कैंसिल करेंगे ना तो दोनों साइड इक्वल आएगी। लाइक देखिए 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20, 4 1s are 4 and 4 10s are 40। So 1/10 1/10 both are equal, so it is proportionate। So ये proportionate वैल्यूज ही गिवन है, बस हमें मिसिंग जो वैल्यू है यहाँ पर वो फाइंड आउट करनी है। अब दिस इज बी पार्ट, सो आई एम पुटिंग हेयर मिसिंग वैल्यू एज बी। अगेन यू हैव टू डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई ब्रैकेट में पहले आप शो करेंगे यहाँ पर लिखकर कि हम यहाँ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, एंड देन 7 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 24 एंड टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड वेरिएबल b will be multiplied by 21। now 7 into 24 will remain here, this 21 will come in the denominator of 7 into 24, then cancel, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24। so here the value of b will be 8। so like this you have to find the missing value। let us now move on to c part। so here you will mention the variable c। so again do cross multiply। so when you will do cross multiply, so 2 will be multiplied by 40 and other side c will be multiplied by 16, then 2 into 40 will remain here only and then this 16 will come in the denominator is equal to c। then cancel the value, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40। so the value of c is equal to 5 answer। okay, then here d part, so the missing variable we are putting here as variable d। so cross multiply, 4 will be multiplied by 26 and 13 will be multiplied by d। okay, then 4 into 26 will remain here only and that 13 which is there in multiplication will come this side and it will be shown in division। okay, then 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26 and 4 2s are is equal to 8। so the value of d is 8। okay students, got it? yes students, now e part। so the missing variable here will be e। first step you will cross multiply it, so 5 will be multiplied by 55 which will be shown towards the left hand side, and remember first of all you will begin from this side। so 5 will be multiplied by 55 and other side 11 will be multiplied by variable e। now in next step this 11 will come under 5 into 55 in division, so 11 will come here and variable e will remain that side। so 11 1s are 11, 11 5s are 55, then 5 into 5 is equals to 25। so the value of e part is 25। then here this is f part, so we are taking variable as f। do cross multiply, 3 will be multiplied by 27 and f will be multiplied by 9, then 3 into 27 will come as it is and that 9 will come in the denominator is equals to variable f। 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 3 into 3 is equals to 9 which is the value of f। okay, then move on to g part। so the missing variable here I am putting as g। do cross multiply, 6 will be multiplied by g and 12 will be multiplied by 12। okay, then in next step g will remain here, 12 into 12, this 6 will come in the denominator in division, so cancel, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 into 2 is equals to 24 which is the value of g part। okay, then h, so the missing variable I am taking here h। cross multiply, h will be multiplied by 12 and 18 will be multiplied by 2। okay, then we have to take this h here only, and 12 will go that side in division. So 18 into 2 upon 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the value of h is equals to 3, which is the answer of h part. Fine? Yes. Now part I is 7 upon missing value and then 1 upon 2. So here we will put the variable as I only and then do the cross multiplication. So 7 will be multiplied by 2 and 1 will be multiplied by I. Then 7 into 2 and this 1 will come in the denominator is equals to I. Then you know whenever 1 is there in the denominator, then we can remove that 1, and 7 into 2 will equal to 14. So the value of I here will be equal to 14 answer. Then here we will put the missing value as j, then 5 will be multiplied by j and other side 2 will be multiplied by 60. Then j will remain here only. 2 multiplied by 60, 5 will come in the denominator. Cancel. 5 1s are 5 and 5 12 times is 60. Then 12 into 2 is equals to 24, which is the value of j part. Okay. Then k part, you will be putting the missing value as k here. Do the cross multiplication. 8 will be multiplied by k and 19 will be multiplied by 16. Then k will remain here only. 19 into 16 and this 8 will come in denominator. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 19 into 2 is equals to 38, which is the value of k part. Okay. Then part L, again cross multiply. So 9 will be multiplied by 15 and 5 will be multiplied by letter L. Now 9 into 15 will remain there only and 5 will come down in denominator. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 9 3s are is equal to 27, which is the value of part L. Okay students, so like this we have to solve question number 3rd. I hope all the 3 questions of this particular exercise, question number 1, 2 and 3 are very much clear to you. 1, we have done the product of means and product of extreme. Question number 2, we have kept the left hand side and right hand side separately, and firstly we made the units similar and then we cancelled the value to find it out that it was in proportion or not. And then in question number 3rd, we have calculated the value of the missing variable by doing cross multiplication. So I think now all these 3 questions are very much clear. So please go through the video and try to do all these parts by yourself. So that is all I have decided today to give you. So I have given all the 3 questions of exercise 14.2. I request you to please complete your work of exercise 14.2 in your notebook, and then I will meet you back and will give you the exercise 14.3. Okay students, so please take care of yourself. See you again. Thank you so much.